So there's also some really key minerals that are required by our body, especially while we're performing exercise. The first one being calcium. So calcium is required for muscular contraction. And of course, contracting our muscles is critical when we're performing any form of movement or exercise. So we can find calcium in things such as almonds, dark green leafy vegetables, and sesame seeds. Then there's magnesium, another really important mineral. So it's required by our body to produce ATP, which is, of course, is the energy currency that we've been talking about. And we can lose a lot of magnesium through sweat when we're performing exercise. We can find magnesium again in dark green leafy vegetables and legumes. And then we come on to iron, another really important mineral. Iron is required by our body to transport oxygen around it, and it's stored in our muscles. So it's really important for people who are performing endurance activity, because iron's going to help us transport oxygen around the body to the muscles to perform that activity. Now, we can find iron in dark green leafy vegetables again, and figs, and also in nuts. Here are some other key minerals that are required by our body whilst we're performing exercise. The first being zinc. So zinc is really important for muscle growth and to help us increase our strength, and it can also really support our immune system, which is critical if we're doing a lot of intensive exercise. My favourite source of zinc is in pumpkin seeds. I love putting it on salads, on soups, and also in my smoothies. Another key mineral is selenium. So selenium is crucial for the production of antioxidants, which are going to prevent the free radical damage on our cells during exercise. And we can find a lot of selenium in Brazil nuts and wild salmon. Then our third mineral is sodium. So sodium really helps our cells to hold on to water and helps us prevent dehydration, which is really important because obviously during exercise we're losing a lot of salt and we're losing a lot of water. And we can find really good levels of sodium in such things as celery and beetroot.